Do you know that there is a relationship between the categories where you place your book and the 7 back-end keywords you use when you are publishing? Alright, so one of the reasons why Amazon is going to block your book, okay, this is just one of the reasons, is because the 7 back-end keywords you use when publishing do not match the category where you place your book. And in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get the exact keywords for each of the categories where your book are placed. If you follow this video, one of the things it's going to help you know is that your book will not get blocked if you follow this 7 back-end keyword strategy that I'm going to share in this video. So if you're interested, stay to the end of the video.
Alright, so the book we want to use for this example is Intermittent Fasting for Women over 50 in menopause. Alright, this is the book we want to use for our example in today's video. So what we want to do first of all is to search out our title on Amazon. Alright, we want to head to Amazon and want to search out our title. You can see the title here, Intermittent Fasting for Women over 50 in menopause. So I'm going to head over to Amazon. I'm going to use incognito and then head over to Amazon. Then I want to search out my title. My title says Intermittent Fasting. Intermittent Fasting for Women over 60 in menopause. Now, one of the things you have to realize whenever you are cross-checking your titles on Amazon, you have to look at books that are published recently. That's books that are published after Amazon started their book blocking spree. These are the books you want to go and check out and know which title they are using, which keywords they are using, which category they placed their book. Please take note. This is one of the things you have to take note of. Whenever you come to Amazon to verify your title, you have gotten your title, so you want to work on your keywords now, right? You have to make sure that after searching your title on Amazon, the books that you are going to vet, the books you are spying on, must be books that have been published as latest as March, because that is when Amazon started their blocking spree. Okay, we can see it started from March. So we're going to, any book that was published last year, we are not interested in those books because this is a new era. We can't be using their method in 2024. It will not work. All right, so we have to look for books that have been published this year, starting from the month of March when their book blocking started. So any book that you see on Amazon that is live as from March, April, May, June, July, and even this month, and even next month, okay, these are the books we want to look at. We want to check out two things. We want to check out their category and the keywords they are using for their books, which is what we want to do in this video now. So you can see this book here, Intermittent Fasting, was published in December 2022. I'm not interested in this book. I'm looking for books that were published in 2024. All right, you can see this book, July 6, 2024, and is already selling. Successful intermittent fasting for women over 50. Remember the two things we want to check in this book because it is related to our book and then it was published recently. We want to check out the category where this book is placed. Secondly, the keywords for that category. So I'm going to right click and then I'm going to open in a new tab, and then I'm going to keep scrolling to look for more books related to my books that are published this year. You can see this one too, Intermittent Fasting for Women over 50, published July 7, 2024. Are they the same authors? No, they are not. So I'm going to right click and open in a new tab. If you are here up to this point, good luck to you. This is a title and a topic you can work on even now, and you are sure it's going to sell on Amazon, as you can see already. It is paperback version. So depending on the one you want to publish, let's say you want to publish your Kindle first, you click on Kindle and then you want to scroll down again and check which category is this book on Kindle, because we're going to use that same category when uploading our own book. So this is the Kindle version. So we can see the categories in menopause, in weight management, diet. So let's check the Kindle of this book, and then let's know which category they place this book on. We have gotten two categories already where we can place our intermittent fasting book on Amazon KDP, and we are sure that we will not have any issue with our category. All right, so I'm going to scroll down. I have selected Kindle. I'm going to scroll down. Okay, so I'm going to check healthy diets and see how to locate healthy diets. Okay, so healthy diets can be found in health, fitness and dieting, diet and weight loss, under diet and then healthy. All right, so the three categories we have for our book are menopause, under health, fitness and dieting. We have weight maintenance, still under health, fitness and dieting, and then we have healthy. So now the next thing now is to look for keywords that are in these categories. We have to look for keywords, take note, we have to look for keywords that fit into our categories. And one of the tools, it's a paid tool, but one of the tools I would recommend you use when looking for keywords under a particular category is Publisher Rocket. Okay, you need to get Publisher Rocket. All right, so let's open Publisher Rocket now and then make sure you're on category. We have to look for keywords under each of these categories to use for our 7 backend. Take note, okay, we want it to be on Kindle. All right, Kindle, which is what we want to upload first. Check it out again. So it's going to give us category under health, fitness and dieting as it has to do with Kindle. All right, this first category has to do with menopause. So it's under health, fitness and dieting. It's under personal health, under women's health. So let's look for personal health, women's health, and then menopause. So let's scroll down, look for personal health. Now this is what we're looking for: personal health, menopause. So we have found this category on Publisher Rocket. Now we can see the keywords under menopause. We can see keywords under menopause. So these are keywords that we can use as regards menopause on our 7 backend. I'm going to copy this out. I'm going to copy all this out. Ctrl C. Then I'm going to paste in those keywords I just copied. Now for the next category, still under health, fitness and dieting, but now we are in diet and weight loss. We're in diet and weight loss, so we're looking for weight maintenance. So let's go back to Publisher Rocket, look for diet and weight loss. So this is the category we just saw for that particular book, diet, weight maintenance. So let's check the keywords for this book. So this is the keywords for this book. So I'm going to copy all these keywords out for the second category. Then I'm going to get the third one. For my 3 categories now, these are the keywords that will fit into my 7 backend keywords, but I can't use all of them. If not, it will be keyword stuffing. All right, I can't use all. So this is one way to do this. The next thing I want to do now is to go to ChatGPT now, and then I'm going to ask it a question. I want you to help me come up with 2-tailed keywords. Can I do that? So let's see what he's going to say. So I'm now going to copy all this now. I'm going to copy all this and then I'm going to give it to ChatGPT and then allow it do what it's going to do. It has given me 2-tailed keywords that I can use for my books. All right, it has given me 2-tailed keywords I can use for my book. So what I'm going to do now is when I get into the publishing phase of my book, is let's say I'm about to publish, all right, and I click on create Kindle, create ebook. Okay, so I want to show you how to go ahead now and use these keywords that GPT has given to us that are related to our books category. All right, so I'm going to fill in my title, then I'm going to fill it here. All right, Then I will have my subtitle. This is not the video to fill all this. I own the copyright, sorry. There is no such thing. Primary marketplace, Amazon.com. So choosing categories now. So I have to now use those same categories. So it has to be, there is personal health. Okay, there is women's health. And then there is menopause. The next one is health, fitness, and dieting. Then we have diet and weight loss. We have diets. Then we have weight maintenance, and then we have healthy. And then we can click on save categories. Now, this is where most people don't get it. Like I said, your keywords, your 7 back-end keywords now, they must be short phrases, okay? Keywords are typically short phrases. There should be at least just 2 tail keywords that relate to your categories that you just selected. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT now and copy some of these words. I must not use everything, mind you. So mind you, I'm going to remove the plus sign there. I'm going to remove the plus sign. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy weight loss, copy fitness. So I can be sure now that I will not have any issue with my 7 back-end keywords using this strategy. Now you must take note that you must not fill in all the 7 back-end boxes. All right. So with this now, your book can rank very well. So I have made sure that my keywords correspond with my back-end, with my categories for my book. So every keyword used here are keywords that are found within my category where my book is placed. So anybody searching for weight loss and fitness, anybody searching for hormonal changes, anybody searching for recipes, healthy recipes, mindful eating, my book cannot cause misleading customer experience because I place it in the right category and I'm using the right keywords for it. So this is one way to get your keywords for your cookbooks. So guys, after you have filled in your 7 back-end keywords, you are good to go. I can assure you that your book will not get blocked if you follow this method. Alright, if you don't have Publisher Rocket, alright, you can get group buy of Publisher Rocket. Okay, 2 or 3 people can come together and decide to get Publisher Rocket. Now, many people are saying it might not be possible, but the truth is, it's possible because if one person is using it, the other person does not need to use it. It can only accept 1 user per time. That doesn't mean multiple people cannot use it. Okay, but you can't use it at the same time. Okay, if one person is operating the Publisher Rocket, the other person have to wait till the person using it is done. Then you can now sign him out and then log into your own system to start using it. That is how Publisher Rocket works. Okay, group buy with Publisher Rocket is possible. So make sure you get Publisher Rocket. It's going to really help you in ascertaining the right keywords to use for each of your categories where you are placing your book, and this is going to help you avoid your book getting blocked on Amazon KDP. All right, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so you are notified whenever I drop more videos like this. All right, thank you.